The flat painted body has the electric motor, while the shiny gloss version usually has the mechanical wind-up motor. Here is an old ad showing that the whistle motor came with the nickel plate road set. The reason the whistle didn't work was because the gear set had separated, and I used Loctite to hold it back together again. The flapper controls the sound. You can try bending it a little to change the sound of the whistle. The loco running by itself produces good whistle sound because of its increased speed. But the more cars that you add on, the loco will run slower and again produce less